Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal.
Yes.
ए त्यसो भए ठिक छ ब्रदर यार मैले त इंग्लिश भनिरा तिमी त
English or not?
You अंग्रेजी
No, I'm from Belgium.
Oh you from Belgium
No, I was born in Nepal. My father is from Nepal, but my mom is from Netherlands. That's my brother.
Your father born
Not born.
born you born in Nepal
Me and my dad was born in Nepal.
what's your caste your bow
Oh, gosh, Casey, dude.
your bow caste TikTok मा reels बनाएर हाल्छ रे हो
When you in Nepal,
What are you saying? I don't understand.
where do you live in Nepal?
Oh, Bhaktapur.
Bhaktapur, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
I was born in Palpa, dude.
Where born in Nepal? Which place?
Palpa, brother, Palpa.
Palpa. Oh, Palpa Pokhara.
No. Palpa.
Palpa. You know Cabrelli Samdi?
I don't know.
Cabrelli kai charcha cha market ma. You don't know Kandu dance?
Oh, I assume.
No. I'm not a singer. We are Cabrelli Samdi dancer. You know Kandu dance kya hai? Kandu dance.
Oh, okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Yes. You don't know Kandu dance? Everyone double tap. Let's go. Let's get it.
Brother, I got a question for you. What do you do for a living?
We don't know makes your mess.
No. I mean, what do you do for a living?
Say slowly.
What do you do for a living?
What do you? Huh?
What do you do for a living?
For living?
Yes.
बुझेन क्या?
What do you do for a living?
Fuck living? ए छोड्देऊ न अरु सोध्नु न. How old are you?
I'm 20 plus, dude.
24 years.
I mean 20 plus, dude.
20 plus.
Yo.
I'm 23 years old.
So you are my big brother.
Yes. You are also small.
Yeah, I'm small, you are big.
Yes, I'm big. But my figure is minus. Yes, -1. I'm also patalo.
Are you a temperature? Are you a temperature?
के भन्छ? ओइ टेम्परेचर भने के हो? एकछिन साइलेन्ट आई सोध्छु यहाँ कमेन्टमा ओके?
Okay.
You don't understand my language?
I do understand your language, dude.
ओके त्यसबाट इङ्ग्लिस बुझेन क्या सो भन्नु पर्यो नेपालीसँग के इङ्ग्लिस बोले अरे नेपाली
Yeah, I'm from Nepal, brother. I already told you that I was born in Nepal. I'm Nepalese.
You don't know Nepali language?
I know Nepalese language. I know Nepalese language.
You don't understand Nepali language?
म बुझ्छु यार.
अनि के साइको बनाइरा त ल म्या
आइको बनाउनु पर्यो नि यार.
ल म्या साइको भइदिराख्यो दोस्त यार तिमी त अहिले वेयर आर यु नाउ?
ल अहिले I'm in now Belgium.
बेल्जियम ए आमा तिमीले तपाईले त बेजु त हान्ने भयो इङ्ग्लिसै मिलेको छैन ग्रामरै